Not the greatest day for me. I feel like I struggled and fought with the market. Hi everyone, it's Tiffany with Variable Traders here to do my recap. I had Twitter on my secondary watch list this morning. I really usually do not like the way it trades, and once again I shouldn't have been in it because I didn't like the way it traded today. I tried taking it as a 5-minute ABCD pattern. As you can see right here, it was finally a really strong 5-minute candle, pushed up through this daily level and consolidated a bit, pulled back, and then I went long at the break of the 5-minute candle. My stop was going to be if it made a new 5-minute low, but then I saw that it was losing the 9 moving average on the 1 minute, so I got out and decided not to trade this again because I really did not like how it was trading. Then I traded Lucid. This was on my main watch list. It was great volume pre-market, and it was moving okay. I did not love anything on my watch list this morning. Not to mention, I also have been a little bit stressed out this week with personal issues, and so I was really kind of being cautious, probably overly cautious in trading this morning, and so I probably should not have been trading. But so my plan with Lucid was to watch how it interacted with the VWAP at the open. But as you can see, it was a really strong candle. So I was watching it to see if it was going to come back and test the VWAP and see if it was going to find support. And I was thinking about taking a 5-minute opening range breakup or ABCD pattern on Lucid, but it lost the VWAP. You have this this shooting star doji right here, new low, and then it lost this previous day low. So when it lost this previous day low, I was watching for it to pull back and retest it. And when it retested it, it also started looking kind of like a head and shoulders kind of pattern on the 1 minute. And when it started making new lows, I took it short, and then I got spooked out. I didn't like the way it was moving once again, and I felt like it wasn't ready to break down, so I just got out. And as you can see, it did come back and retest the previous day low and then break down nicely, but I was not patient enough to re-enter this trade. And then I got a fairly decent trade on INTC. I usually don't like, once again, I usually don't like the way the stock trades, but Thor had it on his watch list. I think it was on his secondary. So that's what made me kind of peek in at it after the open. And it traded terribly at the open. I mean, look at this. It just consolidated around the VWAP all morning. But then I saw this sell-off and then a reverse ABCD pattern happening right here. So that is why I took it short. It lost S3. I saw it trading around S3 right here, and I saw that it looked weak. Level 2 looked weak, and it was also rejecting these moving averages on the 1 minute chart. And as you can see, the volume came in right here, the sell-off volume, and I went short. And then I took partials at levels I had marked from the daily, this 51.11. And then I took another partial here because my first partial was only 25% partial, and then it was moving so slow. So, and there was a huge bid at 51. It never really reached it here, but I just wanted to take more profit in case it came back up to test S3 again. So then, as you can see, this strong candle right here pushed up through the 9 on the 5, and so I went ahead and exited a lot of my position when it pulled back right here after this strong candle. And then I saw it breaking down through the 9 on the 5 again, and I added really heavily to my position right here, and then I partialed, and then when it made a new 5-minute high, I exited the rest of my position. So not the greatest day for me. I feel like I struggled and fought with the market, and it just wasn't smooth and easy. And like I said, I've been a little bit stressed. So If you have any questions, please comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye.